welcome to my channel. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Theresa. Today we are doing a review on the collab that Jeffree Star did with Morphe. So we're doing a review on the eye brush set. He has a face brush set too, but I didn't get that. So we're going to be reviewing the eye brush set from Jeffree Star, and also I got this in the mail. Super excited. But this is the Boss Mood palette from Morphe. So I did my eyeshadow look with these colors. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get on to the review. He did a collab with Morphe, and if you guys don't know, Morphe is a really affordable brand here on a lot of YouTubers use it. He's a YouTuber too, but he has his own makeup company, so it's really cool to see both these two companies getting together and making a palette. They made actually more than the brushes. They made an eyeshadow palette. I don't have it, but yeah, so we're going to be reviewing the brushes today. And I also got this Boss Mood palette in the mail from Morphe. Looks like this. So we're going to try out the brushes. It's the eye set, and I believe it goes for Canadian. I think I paid $47, I think, Canadian, which is pretty affordable. I think the price was a little more, Jeffree Star Cosmetics, some of the stuff is a little more pricier, but really good quality. So I think these are just more affordable because Morphe is more affordable. Alrighty, so the brush kit comes like this in a set. So I ordered this off the Morphe website. I paid for it with my own money, so this is going to be a completely honest review. And it comes with 10 brushes. And this is what they look like. There is a mixture of natural hair brushes and then synthetic hair brushes. To be honest, if you are vegan or cruelty free, you might not approve of that, but I know how well natural hair brushes blend out eyeshadow, so they're kind of a necessity. But yeah, so you get 3 natural hair brushes, blending brushes. This one kind of looks like the MAC 217, and then this one's a little more pointier, but very similar. And then you have these ones. The eyeliner brush looks really good. I'll show you the eyeliner. The eyeliner brush looks like that. Sorry, I got hair dye all over my hands, so it looks like that. And then there is this brush. This is a eyeshadow brush. It's actually pretty small. And then what I really like about the set is it has these 2 really tiny brushes. These are good for like doing inner corner highlight, or your smoke out your lower lash line, or your brow bone highlight. So those are really cool. And then there's a synthetic blending brush, which looks really soft. And that one's just like, you know, your typical blending brush. Yeah. So, and then there's 2 of these. These ones, you could use one for cutting out your crease and the other one to pack on color on your lid. So yeah, we're going to test these out. I'm going to try to incorporate as many brushes as I can in this eye look. So let's just get on to the video. Hair back. I just dyed my hair last night. That's why if you see like hair dye all over me, the struggle's really. Look at my hands. Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna put an eyeshadow base on. I'm going to use this one by Profusion. It's just a tiny little eyeshadow primer. So I'm just gonna put that all over my eyes. I'm just gonna blend that out with this flat brush. Okay, that didn't even really cover. I like stuff with covers, so I'm just gonna put this is a Maybelline. This is like just a really good Maybe like that. Okay, so I'm gonna set my base with just any translucent powder or anything you got like that. We'll do this eyeshadow palette doesn't have a yellow in it, and I want to start with a yellow, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna take from the City Mini palette by Maybelline. Oh, it's breaking. I'm gonna take that yellow there, right there, and I'm gonna put that in my crease with, this one's the JS5 blending brush. I'm gonna use that one. That's what the color looks like. And I'm gonna put that in my crease. Wow, that's a lot of pigment. I'm just gonna go back and forth in windshield wiper motions. Kind of want this on your upper crease. Okay, so that's that blended out. This brush, to be honest, I freaking love it. It's a really good. So then we are going to, I think we're gonna go in with the next brush. See, it's a little bit pointier than, and smaller than this brush. So I like that because this one will really get in that crease. So I'm gonna go in with that orange color right here. Brush. Okay, now I'm gonna apply this in. Oh, wow. Mostly on the outside, and then I'm gonna bring it in. Don't buy my roommate. She is doing the dishes and you can hear it. I'm gonna go back in with the first brush we used and just kind of blend out this color. Lots of blending. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with right here. This is the JS6. Yeah, JS6 brush. This one looks like a MAC 217. And I'm going to take that color right there, and I'm gonna put that in my inside and outside part of my eye, kind of like a halo, like right here. And right here. I love this brush. This brush is awesome. Okay, and then I'm just going to grab another brush, because I'm trying to use as many brushes as I can. I know it looks really messy right now. I'm going to use this fine one here, and I'm going to take, I think, this color right here, and put that right on the outside part. And the inner part. I'm going to take the synthetic hairbrush, and I'm just going to kind of blend it all out. I'm going to go back in with that orange color, and probably going to blend blend out that. I feel like I kind of lost that orange. The lower lash line, we're gonna take the smallest one. This one's a JS13, and we're gonna take that orange color here that we use, and then after we're gonna take that red one underneath of it. It's being loud. I really like this for smoking out my lower lash line. And then take that red. Okay. I'm going to take a bit of that darker color here, I think this one right here, and add a little more depth to this look. Okay, and I'm just going to blend it out again with the synthetic hair brush. I'm going to go back in with that first yellow and blend out that, do a lot of blending. Okay, and then I'm going to take that small little, this one is the JS10, looks like that. And I'm going to cut my crease, not cut my crease, but add it in the middle. So I'm just going to use a little bit of cover up first. This one's just for Maybelline. Like that. And do the other side. I'm going to take this color right here with that other, with the S11. I'm going to place that on the inner corner of my eye. The middle, I mean, sorry. I'm going to take this color right here and put that on the, right here. Really tempted to use this green. I think I'm going to. I'm going to take that tiniest brush and I'm going to take some of that black there, this one, the matte one, and I'm just going to darken up the Okay, so I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup and I will be right back, and then we will go over the eyeshadow brushes, okay? So I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Okay, so I'm back. This is the finished look. I forgot to use the eyeliner brush in the video, but I did use it off camera to do my eyes, and I actually really like this eyeshadow brush. And the only brush I didn't use today was the eyebrow brush, but it looks actually really thin. Like, I really have to have a thin brush for doing my eyebrows, so I really like the size of it. Yeah, so I know I'm gonna like this brush, but overall, I really like this brush collection. It's pretty affordable. I wish there was a couple more of like the natural hair brushes, because I really do like those. I like that you get 3 blending brushes. I could use more, but overall this is a really good collection. I really like that it also has these little tiny detail brushes, because you don't see that very often in brush collections. and they have 2 of them, and he has 2 of them. So overall, I really like this brush collection. I really want to get that eyeshadow palette that he came out with too. So yeah, that's my review on the Jeffree Star eye brushes. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week. Just click that little notification bell and then you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!